Human resources management. Okay, I put myself in these three positions because I'm doing this alone. But the in other in other project it's going to be other person, other person, other person. First of all, it's well, is to make an analysis ABC. What else? In EOQ analysis, I said um, the R or for the responsible verification, right? And the S of design requirement, which is not here, but in the final, I think. This is my flow chart. As I said, I'm going to be in charge of all, but it's not necessary of that. I will be the project manager. Then it's going to be the project assistant of the project management, and the project supervision, which is a really, really important thing to do. Communications management. So the variable is complete analysis of the improvement for implementation. So we gotta implement a lot of stuff here in order to make success. Information analysis in detail with the methods applied for the improvement in the management of automobile spare part warehouses. The way that we're going to do communication management at all, the way that we're going to do this stuff is by exhibition and report. Oh, and you're going to be the receiver, and we're going to do 2 times per week. So the responsible is me as a risk manager management. If we don't have enough information, there we are going to have a lot of risk because we don't have restrictions. Information is mostly to know what things we can do, what things we can't do. So restrictions. Decreasing satisfaction of the part of a stakeholder group. Okay, the satisfaction in the stakeholders are really, really important because if we're doing all of this, it's because satisfaction itself. So we need to do a lot of stuff, maybe not satisfied right away, but in the end of the project, we gotta have the thumbs up of all the stakeholder group. So this is key. Sudden changes on the project schedule. We need to avoid this. We need to avoid it because if sudden changes happen, it's because you didn't plan that well your project. So maybe you don't have the right, I don't know, resources. Maybe you don't have the right time. So sudden changes happen by that, and we need to avoid that. Information leak sake. So yeah, we need to be really not quiet, but we need to be aware that the information that is given us to us is important, and we don't want to share with anyone else that the group that is here. Conclusions and recommendation. I can say that, for example, in this project, it's really a matter of administration control, what to do right, what to do well. The data that is given to us is really key to success because if we have a lot of data, is most likely to have success in the project because we will not have risk at all. So we'll have the right scope just to go and solve the problem and nothing else. Recommendations, I can say that it's really crucial when you are going through this by your own. You have a lot of people in many factors. You need one people solving administration stuff, control stuff, inventory stuff, and a lot of stuff. So it's really hard for just one person to do this, and I think that in group is going to be more efficient. Yeah,